Hello everyone. In today's video, let's see a wonderful company. I would say this company is all-rounder across different business verticals. The company name is Cyient Limited. Cyient is a leading global engineering, manufacturing and digital technology solutions company. It is one among the world's top 30 outsourcing companies and it operates through 8 strategic business units. I would name a few: Aerospace and Defense, Transportation, Industrial Energy, Semiconductor, Internet of Things, Medical and Healthcare, last but not least, Communications. Cyient's technical expertise to help customers design, build and maintain world-class products. Their core engineering capabilities focus on technology and innovation to create value for most of the respective brands in their respective industries. Cyient is a preferred partner for comprehensive design and electronic manufacturing services for medical devices and life science companies worldwide. Cyient accelerates our journey towards 5G with comprehensive services around network deployment. That's really a good news. Experience in design, delivery and deployment of network infrastructure makes them our perfect partner for 5G rollout. I am very curious to look at a short video. I was really amazed with their business effectiveness across different sectors. Never miss this fantabulous video. Just hold a second. I'll take you through.
We are a global engineering, manufacturing, and digital technology solutions company, and in fact, one of the largest engineering services company. Over the last 3 decades, we have successfully built relationships with the who's who in the engineering space, and with our presence across different domains, we have definitely touched your life. We have kept you fit and healthy with our healthcare solutions in imaging systems, such as ultrasound, MRI, and X-ray. For sure, we have assisted you in beauty grooming with electric toothbrushes, electric shavers, and trimmers. With our presence in semiconductors, we are practically everywhere, be it in your smart health devices or your laptops. Incidentally, we have you covered against COVID too. We manufacture the RT-PCR analyzers and the consumable test chips. Almost all your mobility solutions bear our signature. With our electronic controls in automotive, like parking assist, we drive with you. Our engineering expertise touches you in elevators, metros, high-speed trains and aircrafts. Our focus lies in making the carriers lighter, fuel-efficient and travel eco-friendlier. We design the interiors too, adding in infotainment and aesthetics. We keep the railroads and metros safe with our signaling solutions, and you count on our navigation maps to stay your course. Our engineering crafts span from the smallest tool to the heaviest machineries. We are present in oil rigs, mining equipments, and even in design of nuclear plants. Our precision engineering skills make us the reliable partner for defense organizations. With our super-fast 5G solutions, we might be even managing this moment of your internet experience. We power your homes with basic utilities like smart meters. With our host of engineering solutions and services aimed at making technologies greener, effective and efficient, we have definitely touched your life. Keeping you safe and making your life easier, that's our promise. We work in digital, embedded, semiconductors, networking and geospatial technologies, and across the whole spectrum of engineering systems that defines the future. If you want to co-create the future, come, join us.
"5G opens up new and exciting opportunities, and communication service providers across the globe are racing to be the first ones to cross the 5G finish line. Are you looking to accelerate your 5G and small cell planning with the most accurate data? Cyient's 5G Inventory Planning, or 5GIP solution, is a cloud-based platform that uses machine learning to identify pole and infrastructure assets from satellite, aerial, and mobile imagery. It reduces small cell antennas' average plan-to-install timeframe, locates poles with better than 1 meter accuracy, provides offline data for ease of use, and allows fast and efficient high-level planning by significantly reducing upfront investment. Automate your 5G inventory planning by bringing fiber and wireless design and planning capabilities to your desktop using virtual assets extracted from geospatial data. With 5GIP, improve your inspection, planning, and verification efficiency by 30%, reduce overall costs by up to 50%, and guarantee worker safety. Not only that, the current and meaningful asset data enables CSPs to ensure accuracy, scalability, and standardization for their 5G and small cell planning and deployment. Collaborate with us to fast-track your small cell site and 5G rollout. To learn more about our 5GIP solution, request a demo today.
It's time to look at the stock price. It is trading between the range 840 and 850 levels. It's a very good company for long term. It's not a buy recommendation. It's my opinion. With this, we have come to the end of the session. I'll get you some good stock in the next video. Please read the disclaimers carefully before you make any investments. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye-bye.